2011 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.